For the transistor circuit shown in figure, find IB and VCE. Let beta is equal to 100 and VBE is equal to 0.7 volt. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now let's assume this is loop number 1 with current I1 and this is loop number 2 with current I2. Now according to direction of this current, this will be positive, this will be negative. Here this is a base of transistor. So this current will be IB. This is a emitter of transistor. So this will be current IE. And this is a collector of transistor. So this current will be IC. And voltage between C and E will be VCE. Voltage between base and emitter will be VBE. This will be positive, this will be negative. Here this will be positive, this will be negative. Now we will apply KVL to loop number 1 here. Let's say we will start from here. So this will be minus 3 minus 0.7 plus 100 into 10 raised to 3 into current IB plus VBE is equal to 0. VBE is equal to 0. The value of this VBE is given. VBE is equal to 0.7 volt. So this will be minus 3 minus 0.7 plus 100 into 10 raised to 3 into IB plus 0.7 is equal to 0. Now this minus 0.7 and plus 0.7 is equal to 0. So only minus 3 plus 100 into 10 raised to 3 into IB is equal to 0. So from this 100 into 10 raised to 3 into IB is equal to 3. Therefore, IB is equal to 3 by 100 into 10 raised to 3. Three by 100 into 10 raised to 3. 30 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, or IB is equal to 30 microampere. We have to find IB and VCE. So to find VCE, we will apply KVL to mesh number 2 or loop number 2. Apply KVL to loop number 2. Let's say we will start from here. So this will be minus VCE plus 15 plus 15 plus 1000 plus 1000 into IC is in opposite direction. So this will be minus IC is equal to 0. Now this will be minus VCE plus 15 plus 1000 into, now this IC is equal to beta into IB is equal to 0. So this will be minus VCE plus 15 plus 1000 into minus, now beta is given, which is 100, into IB. IB is 30 microampere. 30 into 10 raised to minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this will be 15 plus 1000 into minus 100 into 30 into 10 raised to minus 6 is equal to 12. Minus VCE plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, VCE is equal to 12. The unit of voltage is volts. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.